Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where disk structure is corrupted and unreadable, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The next one is to scan through File Explorer. I'll tell you how to do that. So open File Explorer and go to this PC. Let us say this is the drive in question. So right click on that one and then select show more options, properties, and then go to the tab which says tools and click on scan and then scan for it. Last one is to update the disk drive drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for disk drives, right click on it and then select Update Driver and then search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.